Nah, not really. I didn't even check when I got home, to be honest. No. Yeah, I think there was, but the time I got home, I was like, yeah. What are you doing?
I just got picked up mulch.
Oh, nice. Do some mulching. Yeah. Besides what?
The only thing I have left to do is grass, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's it, and then hopefully it stays nice out, and then go fishing.
Yeah.
But all right, let me call you back after this. It'll be quick. All right, peace. Heyo, what's poppin', people? Happy Monday. How we doing? Wendy, Samantha, Rainier, hello, hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo estoy bueno, porque temperatura es bueno y mucho sol. Divertido. All right, guys. Monday, 2 o'clock, live stream. We got angle, similarity. Very easy lesson. If you're copying this down, fantastic. Homework, delta math, 2-step review. It's that assignment. Hi, Catherine. I'm going to go over in greater detail this whole delta math thing because I will still have Google Classroom where I can reach you guys and stuff. But delta math, hi, Mia. Delta math will be the way I'm giving assignments now. I think it's easy. I think it's easy for you guys. You guys can go on there. It gets a grade. I'll tell you how I'm going to be inputting those grades into PowerSchool off of Delta Math. I saw that people tried the angle test. Guys, listen. With Delta Math, you can keep going and going until you get 100%. So if you're seeing your percentage like 40, 50, 70, keep trying as many times as it takes you to get that 100, okay? Because you need to get 5 right with 1 mistake in between the group of 5 to get 100. So if I were you, I would just keep going and going until you're able to get that to 100, okay? And even if you get it wrong, what's good about Delta Math, and I like, it explains it to you of what you did wrong. So please, if you got it wrong and you're confused of how you can't get that 100, the problems you get wrong, go through the directions they give you after, all right? So make sure everyone's signed up for Delta Math. That's where you're going to be doing all your assignments from here on out, okay? Hi, Mr. Cornell. Hi, Mr. Cornell. What's up, Jaylene? Yes, Rainier, copy the board if you don't know this. Jaylene. Diana Castro, hello. So I'll talk more about the Delta Math because that's crucial for the rest of this year. I tell the people that were just here, just tuning in. Delta Math is how you're going to do all your assignments, all tests that I give, all grades is all through Delta Math. I'm not going to be giving you worksheets on Google Classroom anymore because I think it was difficult for you guys. I think Delta Math would be easier for you guys just to be able to actually do the answers and plug the answers in and hit enter and see a grade. Do you guys agree with me? Delta Math is like pretty good, like as in just doing the work on the computer and just submitting it on your phone and submitting it rather than having to look for a worksheet, print it out. I hope so. They just extended no school to April 30th, guys. So no school until April 30th now. So we're here for a whole month of April, distant learning. So really quick before we start, guys, because I wanted to be a quick lesson because we got to get outside socially, obviously distance ourselves, but it's beautiful out. is everyone good with Delta Math? Everyone signed on that's here right now. Everyone signed on. A lot of people get on there. But Delta Math isn't too bad, right? Like as in getting on and actually trying the assignments. I know if some of the problems are hard. I mean, that's just like anything else in school. But you guys good with Delta Math? Good, Rainier. Guys, thumbs up, like something. Just give me yeah. One more thing. Just make sure, guys. Also, I want you. The only way you're going to see in Power School for each assignment on Delta Math is going to be transferred to Power School, that you're going to get 100 on that assignment, not like an 80 or something, is you are allowed to keep going on Delta Math until you get everything right, till you get 100%. So people with 50s and 70s, it says, go back, try it again until you get that 100. It might take you a couple times. I'll explain more of how Delta Math works in a later video, but keep going and keep going and keep going until you get 100, okay? So this is how you guys are going to get 100, all right? I'll explain more later on about Delta Math, but I put an easy assignment up there for today to just get the the minds going. Here we go. Angle similarity, guys, it's easy. What is angle similarity? It's very simple. It's if two angles are congruent to two angles in a triangle, then they are similar, okay? Just keep going, Diana, as much as just keep going until you get 100. I know. And look at the stuff. All right. So angle similarity is that in one triangle and in the other triangle, two angles have to be the same. If two angles are the same here and you have two angles the same here, they are known as similar triangles. And that's all we're doing. That's all this concept, the target of today's lesson is to be able to find the missing angle, because that's the whole point of this, guys. They're only going to give you 2 out of 3 angles, and we know how to find the missing angle in a triangle. We've done it in a previous lesson. You have to do it for both triangles. Get all 3 angles in each triangle, and then look. Oh, I see that 2 angles are the same in each triangle. Bam, similar. Done. So here's an example. Here we go. 145. How do you find the angle here that's missing? Very simple. You do what? You add these up and subtract them from 180. Okay? So what's the missing angle measure here? Well, the missing angle measure there is going to be 35 degrees. How did I know it's 35? Or people are like, yeah, I got that. That was easy. But for the people that may be just a little confused, it's very simple. I did this. I did 100 plus 45 plus a missing angle x is equal to 180. Why 180? Because that's how many degrees are in a triangle. I added these together. When I subtracted from 145 from both sides, this is the long way, but you don't have to do this. You can just get the answer because it's pretty simple. I got 35. Okay? So I got the missing angle here. Now let's just get the missing angle here just so we got all three angles in both triangles, and then we can make a good executive decision. So 135 is 135 plus what number is going to give you 180? That's going to be 45. So then this angle is going to be what? 45. 45 plus 35 plus 100 is 180. So I got all my answers here. All my angles, sorry. Now, how do I know if they're similar triangles? They are similar triangles if they have two similar or two of the same, two congruent angles in each. 145, 35. 145, 35. Every angle is the same here. That doesn't happen every time. So are these triangles similar? Yes. They are similar. They're actually exactly the same here because they have all the same angle measures, okay? Cool? All right, let's do another one, okay? 1, 2, go. All right, so now we have, I'll leave the top up for you guys. Uh, 70, 58. Okay. 70, 49. The question is going to be, are these similar triangles? Now, what do you have to do? Find each missing angle in both triangles and then see if you have two angles that are the same, congruent on each triangle. If they are, they're similar. If they're not similar. So here we go. 70 plus 58 plus a missing number will give me 180 degrees. So what's that missing number going to be? Well, if you guys did the work and subtract from 180, you're going to get 52. Do the next one, 70, 49, and what number are going to give me, it's going to give me 180 because that's how many degrees are in a triangle. It's going to be 61. Now I got all three angles in the first triangle, all three angles in the second triangle. Now I look to see if they're similar. Are these two triangles similar? 52. Oh, I got 70 and 70. Good. No. 52, 50. No. Good job. Nope. Nope. They're not similar triangles. Why are they not similar triangles? They did not have two congruent angles with each other. Okay? This is my shirt. Someone's saying that's their shirt. It's not my shirt. All right, here we go. One more, because I think it's pretty easy, guys. That's all you're really doing today is learning angle similarity, okay? Angle similarity, very easy concept when it comes to triangles and figuring out if a triangle is similar. Let's do one more. We got... $41, $30. See if you can do it by the time I'm done with this. Go. $109 and $30. All right, here we go. Now, are these similar triangles? So you'll get a question just talking about angle, like similarity of triangles. You'll say, how do you know if two angles are similar? Well, you have to simply find all missing angles in a triangle and then see if there's two angles that are same as the other two angles. If they are similar, if not similar. Okay? So I'll give you guys a second, see if you guys do it on your own. I need to find this missing angle and that missing angle, and then I can make a good educated guess here to get my answer. Diana says this is going to be 109, and that's going to be 41, maybe. You are correct, and you are correct. They are similar. Good job. Give me a like one time if this is easy. Give me a like one time if you understand it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you got it. Nice. Good? All right. And that's angle similarity, guys. It's the last piece of these angles and triangles and stuff. And then we're going to kind of say Monday. We go again Wednesday. Okay. Diana, is that skull symbol means you understand it? Yes? Okay, so we're good with angle analysis similarity. That's all I really wanted to show you guys today. Let's have a quick convo about delta math. Delta math, I see everyone is on there. A lot of people, you're on there. Please, guys, help me keep spreading the word to everyone. I want to get we have like mostly everyone on Google Classroom, but now like I want to get everyone to do the work. So I think delta math is an easier, streamlined way for everyone to do the work rather than having to open up these documents in Google Classroom. Because I know Google Classroom is difficult in the sense that you've never seen it before. Okay, so I think that using both, but relying on delta math to do assignments and grading, much easier for all of us. So the way delta math works, guys, is this. You can keep trying the problems till you get 100%. Now it works like this. I give 5 problems, okay? Within this group of 5 problems, you can have 1 penalty, that's what they call it on delta math. So 1 penalty in the group of 5 is okay, all right? Because that's still getting 5 correct with 1 penalty. So if you get all 5 right, if you get the first 3 right, first 3, you get 1, 2 wrong, 1, 2 right. You only got 1 penalty in that 5 you got right, so you're good, all right? Now this is the issue, which I know some people are running into. You might go, yeah, because I know I know when you don't get it, when you get it wrong, and you know when you don't get it wrong is because it doesn't say 100%. Like some people's are at 50, 70%. That means that you did you kind of may have gotten annoyed of because you couldn't figure out why you kept getting them wrong, so you just stopped, which I'm assuming was what happened, and then you won't reach 100%. So guys, if you get 3 right, that's exactly what's happening. So listen, try again. So go back to that assignment, guys, and try again. Because if you get 3, if you get 1 right, 2 right, then you get 3 right, but then you go wrong, right? Then it kind of starts fresh at 5. You gotta get 5 in a right, 5 right with 1 penalty in that group. So you see what I mean? Even though you got 3 right, but then you got 2 penalties, it kind of starts back at 5. All right. I know it's a little frustrating, it's a little weird to get used to, but I'm going to try to keep the assignments very similar to what we do here off of teaching, because that's the only way you're going to be able to do this new stuff. So I'm going to post assignments off of the new topics that I teach. Okay. So then you can go to Delta Math after and do it. Also, I'll probably do another live later in the week, maybe Friday, to go over all this, but I'm going to be posting a calendar on my site, on my Google site. That calendar is going to have all assignments each week, or just a continuing running Excel sheet of all my assignments. Okay, that is going to be a checklist for you guys. So you're going to go through and be did I do this delta math assignment? Check. Did I do this one? Check. Did I do this one? Check. And I'm going to make the due date not until the end of June. Okay? Because I don't know when we're going back to school, guys. I don't. All right? If we go back to school, fantastic. But I'm going to make the due dates the end of June. So now there's no pressure when to get them done. If you get them all checked off, I'm going to transfer those grades into Power School so you can see your grades going up. And that's how you're going to be scored. Does that make sense to everyone? Give me a thumbs up. You guys making sense? All right. So I think listen, guys, I'm learning this, you're learning this. I'm thinking that this is going to be, you guys are going to have an easy understanding of what I expect from you, what needs to be done in at least my class. I can't speak for other teachers, but that's how I'm going to run it. Do you guys think that will be pretty good? What up, Carlos? Do you guys think that will be better doing that? Kind of going, teaching, I'll teach, put a YouTube video up. You do the assignment related to that. I'll have a whole entire calendar of every assignment you're going to have to complete, and it's like a checklist, Bam, 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 bam. You can keep doing delta math until you get 100. That's what I want. I want you guys to get hundreds every single time. So what do you guys think? You think that's going to go pretty well? Yes? Come on, feedback, feedback. Good. Diana says, yeah. Diana's excited about it. I know she is. Awesome. Samantha's probably pumped, losing her mind at home. I know. I'm excited too. Catherine's probably like, yes, let's go. Math 101, let's do it. Wendy's probably jumping for joy right now. Carlos is going to go run laps outside after this. He's so excited about what's going on. Mia's screaming and yelling. Mia's screaming. She's excited. Rainier's like, math is number one. Jaylene's, I don't know. Jaylene's going to hit it up on Snap right now. Mr. Cornell is the most savage teacher out there. He's the best. So keep passing it around, guys. I know a lot of you are friends with so many kids in the class, or at least talk to them. Tell them make sure they sign on to my classroom to get all the codes and how to get delta math and stuff. So please reach out to other people that you don't see on here. Another thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. We're supposed to go live on Wednesday. I'm canceling live Wednesday and I'm canceling live Friday. But listen, because I'm not going to be able to do live. But I am going to post my YouTube video. So instead of us doing it live, I'm just going to post a video on Wednesday that's going to explain. I'm just going to teach the next lesson on a video. And I'm going to post it Wednesday. And then there will be an assignment on Delta Math for Wednesday, okay? Friday, there will be no live again. But I'll post the video. And on YouTube, my channel, you'll go to the channel, look at the video, watch the video, go do the Delta Math assignment that corresponds to that video. I will be going live on Friday evening to see how the week went, talk, make sure you guys are doing well. Any questions for me? So Friday, we will be going live, but not till later in the evening because that's when I'll be able to get back on the grid again. So Friday, I will be going live. We'll probably do 8 o'clock again because I think a lot of people tuned in when we did it at 8 p.m. I'll send out a reminder and put it on Google Classroom. But we'll go live Friday evening to go over, see how this week went, okay? But there will be YouTube videos up Wednesday and Friday about the lessons that I'm going to do those 2 days, okay? So don't worry there's going to be nothing up there. There will be. Just go to my YouTube channel, check out those videos, okay? Yeah, Rena, don't worry. I'll send out a reminder on Thursday or something about it. It's only Monday. So Wednesday, you don't have to be here at 2, and Friday you don't have to be here at 2 because I'm not going to be here, but there will be YouTube videos posted, okay, for you guys to go check out and then do the Delta Math assignment, okay? But then just figure 8 p.m. Friday we're going to see each other again, or you'll see me again, and then we'll go over how the week went. Go try this Delta Math assignment. It doesn't correspond to this. It corresponds to two-step review. I wanted to start Delta Math with something easy so you can see how you get 100%, and then you could go back and kind of check your work on the previous assignment because I want everyone at 100%. All right? So a little longer video, more talking in this one, but that's okay. So besides everything else, you guys good with everything else? You cool with Delta Math? You cool with the classroom? You guys are getting my notifications and stuff? Guys, this week, text me on Remind, which a lot of you do. You guys send me the pictures of your work. Fantastic. If you have questions, reach out to me. All right? I take that into consideration with everything. So please, guys, make sure you reach out. I'll start inputting grades on PowerSchool this week. The calendar will be up tomorrow, so you guys can do your checklist. I know people like that to stay organized. So it will be a very well-oiled machine after this, which should be good. All right? You guys good? Guys, remember, we are the Math Fam here, okay? I got my loyal followers here, my day ones always here, which I appreciate and I love. You guys are going to be great. We're going to do fine. Positive vibes. Hopefully we're back at school soon. I know it pushed it to the 30th. Hopefully we're back sometime in May. Definitely miss you guys, but I won't see you guys again until Friday, 8 p.m. to do a kind of a recap. Make sure you check my channel this week for 2 new videos of 2 new lessons that you can watch. Go do Delta Math assignment. Please keep spreading this information. It helps me. It helps other people kind of know about this channel. Yeah, guys. So you guys good for Monday? It's beautiful out. Obviously, be safe, stay distant, kind of walk around the block or something, get some fresh air. But I'm out. I'm going to go sit outside, quarantine myself in the sun, kind of get some work done. Hopefully, I will see everyone back here at 8 p.m. on Friday to go over everything. Keep checking my channel for updates. Keep contacting me if you need help. You guys have a fantastic day. This is Cornell's Math. We are the Math Fam. One love to everyone. Boom. We out, people. Thank you for tuning in.